This is the demo of Project SMART SIIT Phase 2. This project designed to make internship process easier, focusing on 4 users, which is student, professor, SIIT staff, and company staff. First, this is a login page. When you log in as a student, this is what home page would look like. The web page will show a real-time progress that a student has made throughout the process. Student can easily proceed to the next section by simply click the Here button. This will lead student to the company list page. Student can filter the company by either name or tab. For example, if we only want a company that relate to IT program, then click search. It will get the company with only prefer program, and you can further filter the company via the tag provided. After you have choose the company, you can click select and will send you to the application form page. After you click the submit button, it will send you to homepage and tell you what you'll do next. In this case, you should wait for SIIT staff to approve the application form. After the application form have been approved, you should wait until the internship start. When the internship starts, you can now submit your daily progress. As always, the Here button is always here for you. Then you fill in the day activities and click submit. Students should do this routine until the requirement is met. After students finish their internship, they should do the company survey and upload their final report. Then they wait for professor evaluation, and your internship finish. Now, for the staff point of view, when you log in as staff, you can see the notification in the case that students submit their application for approval. When you click the notification, you will be sent to the notification page. Start can also view the company list and filter the company just the same as student. When staff want to add a new company, they can generate a username and password for that specific company to input their information. Staff can also view the student progress, but cannot perform any action on it. Now when we first log in as a company staff, the company staff should input the required information according to the company info fact. After they finish, they will be sent to the staff homepage. If the student have sent the daily log, the notification will appear in this screen. Staff can click it to verify the daily log. After the daily log have been validated, the button will change to view instead of validate. After student has finished the internship, company staff must evaluate each student behavior and accomplishment. For the SIIT professor, when he or she log in and have a notification, it will show on the screen and clickable, just like other user. Professor has a feature to filter the student by the department and student name. The new submission will have an approve or decline button at the end of the row. As you can see in the picture, the data is real time. For example, in this picture, Dr. Woravit have approved student in row 2, but new student just submit a new report and another professor has already approved it. Another feature for the professor is to choose the company to visit. Until the professor have choose the company, the remainder will always remain on the home page. But the professor still be able to navigate to other pages. In the company list, SIIT professor can click the link button to visit the company web page, or click visit button to proceed to visiting confirmation page. In this page, professor must select the date of the visitation before pressing the submit button. Then he or she should wait for the staff to approve the visitation. The notification will appear in the staff user homepage. Other professor will also know that which company have already been reserved for the visitation. Each professor can check their visitation reminder at any time. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.